Hi, Nathan. How are you?
Hey, doing well, doing well. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Tell us a little bit about yourself and your background.
Yeah, certainly. So background, formerly trained electrical engineer, worked for a handful of utilities, decided to go back to school, so picked up a couple of graduate degrees and now actually do consulting kind of in the power system space as well as a little software engineering.
Got you. And what motivated you to sign up for this course?
Yeah, so it was always like this mystical thing, you know. So over the years I've done, many years of like position, kind of real long-term trading, position level trading. And it was always felt like it was just an investment, right? Like I was investing in stocks and with some distant future of selling. And I knew that there was all these other forms and kind of types of trading, but it was always this mystical thing, and I didn't understand how it worked. And definitely wanted to dive in deeper to that. So that was one of the biggest reasons for signing up. And the fact that it was offered by the university, right? Having some of that, me being a little bit, on the technical side from an engineering, I really wanted to dive in deeper where possible to talk about kind of some of the mechanics under the hood versus it just being somebody off the street, saying, "Hey,
Got you.
here's a stock trading class," and it just be very surface level. So that's what really drove me into the course hosted by UNO.
And so far, at least, has the course met or exceeded your expectations?
Oh yeah, yeah, 100%. I mean, some of the computational analysis stuff that was done, like looking at the average volume, the average trade, throughout time, having the ability and tool sets to do that computational analysis on top of just looking at price pattern and price recognition, that was exactly what I was hoping for. And in some ways, it has exceeded kind of some of the expectation because not only looking at the more technical aspects, but then it's also, just from a teacher student kind of relationship, it's the level of responsiveness, right? We actually have that side channel, the Discord channel, right? Where people can throw questions in and at any time, being able to answer and have that bi-directional conversation after hours and even outside the formal class. So it's been phenomenal.
Thank you. I appreciate it. In particular, what do you think of like having someone who can, give you the daily plan of his trade and also show his trade after with, full level of transparency?
Yeah, the absolute the level of transparency and kind of openness, really. I guess it's kind of more of that openness is amazing because what it allows is, for myself kind of going into the day, hey, here's my plan, but then what did I miss? Did I miss an opportunity or even having my plan kind of critiqued from the expertise, right? Being able to see, hey, and did I miss anything? Was there another opportunity, or am I thinking about it from the right perspective? That's extremely valuable. So having it to where it's like your plan that you post in the day, and then on top of that, our own plans from students posting, and then critiques and reviews of our daily plans and weekly plans, extremely helpful. And that's the only really way to learn this, right? Is by doing, and then critiquing how we're doing is absolutely phenomenal.
Because it's a constant learning for everybody, right? And we can feed off each other, and it's a great environment. Yes, I agree. One
Yeah.
last question for you. Have you ever taken any other investment or trading courses before? And if so, how is this course any different?
Yeah, I've done a couple like audiobooks and read some books like that, but nothing formal. And I knew just from some previous experience that there's a lot of like quacks and just random surface level kind of information and stuff out there. So knowing that this came from and hosted by the university, that just kind of sealed that deal as far as yes, we will have that ability to go in deeper. So some of the introductory stuff I've done over the years, yeah, this far exceeds and meets those expectations of kind of exactly what I was thinking that this course hosted by the university would be.
Gotcha. Also, because one thing that it was in my mind when we developed this was, we offer a lot, us and universities in general offers a lot of investment class, right? But then when you want to sit in front of your computer and start trading, then what? you don't have the tools for that, because at least from the educational point of view of a university, normally we don't offer that. So that was the reason of having a course like that.
No, it's been amazing. It bridges that gap between, you know, the theory and then the actual practical of applying that knowledge to day trading and to the markets. So
perfect. We are so happy to have you as one of our students. Thank you so much for your time today.
yeah, absolutely. No, it's been great. So thank you.
Thank you.